So here in code blocks I have my code, sorry, group 5's code to calculate how long the clothes will dry on the line if the weather conditions are suitable. So right here is the main code. I have my integers defined, so temperature, lux, humidity, wind speed, the weight, and flow. When the program starts this print statement in a serial amount of row, this program determines how long the clothes will dry on the line. Then it asks you to type in the temperature from the PT100. After that, it will ask you to type in the lux from the LDR, then humidity from the humidity sensor, and the wind speed from the anemometer. And then it will ask you to type in the weight of the clothes in grams. This is all done by using scanf functions for the user to type in the integer into their monitor. This equation right here will determine how long the clothes will dry. So from my data, I know is for t-shirts especially, when they first come out the washing machine, they're around 210 grams, around that sort. And when they dry, they are half that weight. So that's why weight is divided by 2. Then it's multiplied by 60 to get grams per second, which is then divided by 3,600 to get to put into hours. So this if statement right here is the main function of the code. So like if temperature is greater than 15 degrees and humidity is greater than 53%, and lux is greater than 15,000 lux and wind speed is greater than 15 kph, this statement will print. So print out hangout clothes and then the clothes will dry in whatever hours using with this percentage if or LF. I mean, clothes will be the answer for this will be printed into here. If any of these are lower, it will this else statement will print saying don't hang out the clothes. So now I will demonstrate how it will work. Okay, so it's not best of days today, so I'm just going to type in the temperature using information from Dublin Airport weather station. So it's 7 degrees, typing it LDR. I got that information myself, so it's 12,860. The humidity is 65, and the wind speed is 16. The weight of the clothes that I am putting out is 220. This statement wasn't true. The else statement is print don't hang out clothes. So now I will show a demonstration when the weather conditions are suitable. So if temperature was 16, humidity was 63, the lux was 16,000, the wind speed was 15, and the clouds were 220. On my mistake, this statement, basically what happens, this statement was false again, so I'll go again. So I'll just use 16,000, 60, and 16. Type in the clothes and brand 220. So the clothes will dry in 1.83 hours now. 1.83 hours is equivalent to 1 hour and 49 minutes. So I'll run this code again, this time using different grams. So 17,000, 17. Let's just go for 100 grams. And say it'll dry in 3.33 hours. 3.3 hours is 3 hours and 19 minutes, which is a heavy piece of clothing. And that's the code to determine how, if to put out the clothes or not, and if you do put the clothes out, how long it will take the clothes to dry.